You got her for Craigslist?
She was surprised.
Oh, you doing here?
That's fine. I think we made that. I bet you they had good middle there. Yeah, that's easy. Yeah, that's when we can go out. Don't do that before you walk out. You got a big up.
You're welcome. Look, that's what's good actually. You gotta be careful with Craigslist, so. That's the only problem.
I'm gonna go back to the hospital or
What?
I'm gonna volunteer at the hospital or rehab.
Oh, you're gonna volunteer at the hospital?
also kids that can do stuff like that.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
when I went there, I got stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Also, I can do some nursing.
That's what's up.
I want to teach that
Oh, wow, that's
I don't know if I can do the nursing over here. They don't try